Welcome to Ellia's Creative Corner. Today we're going to wrap a present. Look at this beautiful wrapping paper. Isn't it so cool? Right now here, let me show you the presents we're going to wrap today. We're going to wrap this present, and we're going to wrap my favorite present for my friends, is this one. So first you're going to take one wrapping paper, and you're going to put it to the side. Now you're going to put this part on here, and then you're going to tape it. Now you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut it out right here. After you got your cutted wrapping paper, put that to one side for a minute, and you're going to put it like. You might need a rub to help you do that, so you can tape it in the front like this. So first you're going to take a piece of tape and you're going to put it right in the middle here. Right? You're going to take another piece of tape and you're going to put it, you're going to put it right here. You want to straight across so the present doesn't shake. Now you're going to flip it over. You're going to push it down and you're going to tape it. Done. And now you're going to take another one and you're going to push this part. You're going to put this part up. Then you got that done, you're going to tuck this one in. So you're going to take another piece of tape. You're going to put that piece like that. So after you got this side folded, now you're going to go to the other side and do the same thing. Ta-da! You wrapped the whole present. Now you finished wrapping your first present.
Card time.
First, you're going to place it onto the table. You're going to put it straight up like this. You're going to take the two edges and fold them to the other side of the edges. Like this. Now you're going to pinch, pinch, pinch over here at the end where it's closed. After you got your card folded like this, you're going to put it straight up again and you're going to pick what color you like. I think a little purple will be nice. Done. Well, I still need to draw things inside the card. You're going to put that on top of the big one. If your small present, a bracelet, and a couple of bath toys. So now you're going to take this body wrapping paper and you're going to measure it. Now you're going to take your card and your big piece of wrap and your big present, and you're going to take a little bit of tape and you're going to round it up like this into a tape ball. Now put it on the back of the card and place it on to the finger. And then put your other present on top of the big one and you're finished. Look at them. Aren't they so shiny? They're so pretty, aren't they? Thank you for coming to Ellia's Creative Corner. See you next time. Mommy!